Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today we are going to go through my, sorry, I had to think for a second, my May Boxycharm. If you are aware with Boxycharm at all, you do know that the size of this box is a little bit more rectangle than it is normally. Like normally it's a little bit smaller than this, but a little bit wider, if you will. I'll explain to you what Boxycharm is if you continue to watch and subscribe to my channel because it is free and I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Friday. I have never uploaded on Friday since I began in January. I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays, so you kind of get a video in the middle of the week as well as the end of the week. It is Wednesday today, so when you see this video go up, I did just film this a few hours ago, so this is me right here. I did have to do a sneak peek into my box in order to apply everything and stuff like that, so that way I am able to try everything on in order than like I normally would. So if you would like to see what is in my Boxycharm and what the Boxycharm is, then just keep on watching. Pretty much, if you live under a tunnel and you're not aware what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products. And most of the time, you do get a couple high-end products, things that you would find at Ulta, things you would find at Sephora, and also it is really great because you're able to explore into some brands that you really wouldn't buy on your own. It's not to bash the other brands, it's just you may not have heard of the brand, or because nobody talks about the brand, you don't want to go ahead and try it. So Boxycharm is really good with stuff like that, and almost all the time and every month, the box is well over $100. I do have a playlist of Boxycharm. I will leave them in some cards throughout the video, as well as a playlist and other Boxycharm videos. I'm sorry, my eyebrow is so itchy right now, and I don't know why. If you follow them on Instagram at Boxycharm, they do give you some sneak peeks. Sometimes they'll show you exactly what everybody will be getting in the box, but sometimes they show you either the Boxycharmer will be getting this product or that product. I did really want a Dose of Colors lipstick this time, but we will get into what I got and what I will be keeping, and it is also a try-on. I like to do try-ons when I am able to, so that is why I have my face on, but I don't have some products on because I did have to sneak peek in order to try on the products, and I am testing out the new Tarte Foundsealer foundation right now. So anyways, this is the Boxycharm, and we're going to dive right into the box. So normally when you open the box, it is going to have all of your products. Oops, that's what we're looking for. And it is always comes with this card right here. The card basically tells you what this month's theme is, and also what the products you get, what they're supposed to do, and how much they are. So this month's theme is Make Waves. Pretty cute. And then again, it has all the lists of products, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this month. Normally if you get like a brush set and then an eyeshadow palette, it would be like 4 products, but normally you get like 5 products. Sometimes you even get 6 products, it just depends. And when you open it up, this is what it is, and of course we're just going to take the first thing that catches our eye, which is obviously this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This is the only product that I will not be putting to the test today, just because I already did cleanse my face and I am doing a wear test, so it's going to be a while before I do cleanse my face. And this product retails for $28, so that is $7 above what the monthly subscription box costs already. At the end of this video, I will tally up everything and calculate it and let you know how much the box is worth. So basically it says gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved. So we will open it. I think that this box is beautiful. It is so cute. Oh, I was expecting like a pump. I used their clay mud or something like that cleanser, and honestly I wasn't a fan. It didn't really do much, and the main reason why I don't want to use this right now, it doesn't really smell like anything. The main reason why I don't want to use this right now is because I do have a cleanser already open, and if I open it, I don't want it to expire within the time that I go ahead and use it. And I have been using a bunch of things, and I do have other things that I need to try. So that's the main reason why I don't want to try it right now, but I definitely will give it a try, and I will feature it in a upcoming monthly favorites or hits and misses or something like that. So the next product that we are going to get into is this right here, and this is an eyelash curler. It is the Pure Pro Eyelash Curler, and this retails for $18. Normally I heat up my lash curler, but I do want to see the way this performs without heat to it, so I'm going to try it without heat for this video, but normally I definitely do use a lighter and heat up my eyelashes. My eyelash curler, not my lashes. Oh my gosh, please don't do that. I'm just going to comb my lashes before I curl them. This lash curler is a little weird because I feel like it's not as round as it normally would be. Can you even, yeah, it's not really as round. It's more like wide. I don't know, maybe I'm going crazy. But you are able to get super close to your eyelashes. And I could barely squeeze it. Holy poop. It's so tough, I could barely squeeze it. It is a decent eyelash curler, honestly. Okay, cool. So I definitely enjoy the lash curler. I will for sure use it on the daily whenever I do my makeup. But we're going to move on, and we're going to use this product right here, which, what is it? It's a Violet Voss liquid lipstick, which is, it retails for $12. This liquid lipstick formula offers high pigmentation and radiance that does not budge. The long-lasting liquid lipstick applies smoothly. It dries quickly to deliver the perfect matte finish. Let's see what shade we have. I don't think I own anything from Violet Voss, if I am being honest. So it looks like this. It almost looks like a, yeah, it looks like a chromatic or a chrome color. It doesn't look like it's going to be matte. It looks like it may dry down to a matte, but it doesn't look like it's going to be completely matte. It almost has like that shimmer, like a chrome would. See? It's not like a matte lipstick. I don't know, that's kind of strange. But it says it's going to be matte, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to try it on. Not necessarily my color either, so this might be something that I give away to my sisters. Because I don't really use colors like this. Not saying it's an ugly color, it is pretty, but it's not my cup of tea. It's a really cute color, especially when you're talking, but honestly it's just not. The next thing in the box is this product right here. And this is the Ciao London Eye Luster Cream Creme Eyeshadow. And this retails for $22. It says your new Ciao London's Eye Lusher will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as topper. So we are going to try this. I believe it's in the shade Cupid, because that's what it says on the bottle. But it is like a purpley iridescence. Let me swatch it for you guys. I'm not a huge fan of liquid eyeshadows. The only liquid eyeshadow that I love, but it's not really like this, it's the Stila Magnificent Metals. They're more of like a glitter than they are like this. So it's honestly super pretty. Like when I go like this, it's a purplish, then it can go to a pink, and then now you see gold. And I'm just going to put it on like the middle of my eyes and then kind of blend it out from there. So I'm going to take it off the doe foot with my finger and just pat it on the middle of my eyelid. Can you see that? That's actually super pretty. It's really good for like a wet makeup look. It's not too intense, so I feel like it's really good for those days where you kind of want shimmer, but you don't want glitter because glitter can be super messy. And it can be really good for like a wet makeup look or a wet eyeshadow look. I think it's super cute. Okay, I honestly wasn't expecting that. And then the last thing in the box, if you look, you kind of don't think you have anything, but it is just right here. If I'm being honest, I'm a little disappointed in this. You can go on Boxycharm's website and put like your shade range and stuff like that. With the Cover FX palette that we got, I did get the right shade range, but for this one, I didn't. I got Dark Rich, and it's just going to be too deep for me. let me just tell you what it is, and then I'll go into details. This is the Alamad Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and this retails for $22. I received the Dark Rich Trio. The packaging, first of all, is absolutely gorgeous, and it does come with a mirror, but look at these shades. They're gonna be way too dark for me. And from the looks of it, I watched other people's, and it's really pigmented, so I'm super nervous to try it on. If I can go with a super, super light hand, it might work for me. But I got the shades Deserted, Oasis, and Candela, and they honestly look like they have a tiny bit of a sheen to it, but more of like a naturalist sheen. But I am super, super nervous. These three colors would look beautiful, 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 beautiful on women and men, who wear makeup, that have deep skin tones. Like, that would look like this right here. Oh my gosh, it would look gorgeous. So I am super nervous because I never ever wear purple blush or super orange, or this one is more of like a brown. But I can also use this as eyeshadow. But I'm going to try it on. I'm not going to be a Debbie Downer. I'm going to try it on, and I'm going to be safe and go with Deserted. I'm going to try this one on first, and I will try the rest on super lightly. And I'm using my Morphe E4 brush, and I am literally just going to like pat in there a couple of times until I notice some color and then brush off. I do already have highlighter on, so it's going to blend together. Okay, honestly, that's not bad at all. That is a super pretty color, and it's not too rich. That is really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Oasis, which is the purple one in the middle, and again, just stamp it until I think I have some color on it. Super pigmented. Okay, so that is kind of scary. It's a little bit too much for me. Let me see if I'll be able to like blend it. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. Let me take my beauty sponge. Okay, so that kind of like diluted it. So, super pigmented. I think the only one I'll be able to get away with is Deserted, which is the orange one. But I mean, I can use the rest as eyeshadow. I'm just going to take that Oasis shade and kind of put it over here so that way the shades match. And then I'm going to take Deserted and put it on my cheeks. Oh my gosh, this is turning into a disaster, guys. So the Boxycharm this month was worth $102 total, which is $81 more than what you pay for the box. I think it is completely worth it. You don't get the same all the time as everybody else, but you do get your own kind of thing. Sometimes you'll get the same products, but not the same entire box. Anyways, I will leave Boxycharm's URL in the bottom description bar down below. Check it out for any information that I may have left out. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm video, and I will see you in my next one.